The voters have spoken. Donald Trump's going to be the president. What might we see in terms of the impact on the nation's highest court?
Well, I think the Supreme Court issue was very important, especially for Trump voters, not so much, according to the exit polls, for Clinton voters. And I know of many people who voted for Trump solely because of the Supreme Court appointment issue, and that is because the seat of Justice Scalia needs to be filled. And the Senate Republicans have put off filling that seat until the end of the Obama administration. They were successful in their strategy. And so now the question is, who is President Trump going to appoint to the Supreme Court? And if you go with the lists of names that he has released to the media, I think all of those names stand in mainstream of conservative legal thought. They are all, while they may not have the wit and brilliance of a Justice Scalia, they all share his interpretive approach to the Constitution. That is what we call originalism. And so I think that we should see in this first nomination here somebody in the mold of a Justice Scalia.
We've also seen via the website for President-elect Trump some ideas about the types of things he's looking for. What do you think about those ideas?
Yes, he says on his website that he's going to appoint judges and justices that adhere to originalism, which is the interpretive approach used by Justice Scalia. Now, what we mean by originalism is that you treat the Constitution as a legal document, a legal text, like a contract or a property, and you understand, you interpret the legal text in its ordinary sense, trying to understand what the meaning was when it was ratified. And you have to look at history, and you have to look at the text itself and context and things like that. It's not a perfect approach to constitutional interpretation, but it's far preferable to the open-ended approach that the liberal justices take of simply making it up as you go along, of smuggling their own personal political preferences into the law under the guise of constitutional decision-making.